Welcome, fellow traders, friends, and those who are also investing in the markets, those who are interested into Indian stock markets. This is Ayan, and Ayan welcomes you to the Billionaire Traders Club. This is 22nd September, 12:38 p.m., and this is the time for the second update. And how are you doing, my friends? And how is the market doing? So this is Billionaire Traders Club podcast channel Spotify, and let's see what else do I have. I have my YouTube channel, Billionaire Traders Club. So on my podcast channel on Spotify and on Google Podcast, on Apple Podcast, you can hear me. On Billionaire Traders Club YouTube channel, you can come and see my videos. There are various popular uploads. There's one where I've exposed some scammers. There's a playlist where I've talked about various educational videos about how to deal with option chains. So this is not a plugin for my video. This is just for your education, for you to learn and educate yourself. Let's look into the markets. Asian markets first. Let me refresh this page while I chug up a little bit of Coca-Cola. Okay, not advertising Coca-Cola, just a bit of Coca-Cola to refresh myself. Hey, and wonder of wonders, Nikkei Japan index is down 200. It's closed. Australian and New Zealand markets in slight positive. Shanghai slightly positive. SC component is negative. China is negative. And Hang Seng is positive. So, and Taiwan closed negative, down by 2 points. Kospi flat closed. IDX composite up by 0.78%. Let's look into European markets. Wow, European markets are up. DAX is up by 0.64%, FTSE up by 1.08%. So this is quite bullish. US markets had closed flattish, but now looking into the Indian markets, VIX is up. It's at 16.68 now. Probably will go up 17, I think, or not. I don't know. Indian markets are flattish at the moment. Nifty Bank is negative. Let's go into looking into the USD INR, USD INR at 12:30. This is the 15-minute charts. Was going up. Then the last candle was negative. Then this is still forming, or it's formed. It's formed where the candle is closed at the middle half, sort of bearish. It's a bullish candle, of course, but it will all depend on what the next candle becomes. So, depending on what Nifty is doing, it might be going down. Dollar index, where is the 200 days moving average? This dollar index is below 200 days moving average on the 15 minutes chart. It's gone negative. I expect USD INR to fall too. Looking into SGX Nifty, at the SGX Nifty, this is at 1240. It's going up slightly. It's been positive, so sort of seesaw whiplash movement, volatile movements are happening in the market. Dow Jones has gone up. So US market, which was negative in the Indian markets in the night when India was in the night, has risen up. Gold, as we can see, gold as compared to Nifty is going up. This is as of 12:30. So let's move on to the trading view. Trading view. uh, so this is looking into Nifty on a 3 minute chart. This is 15 minutes, 3 minutes chart. So today it started a little lower, went up, then went down, went above VWAP. Could have traders could have taken some advantage. Then it whipped down, took some support from VWAP, went up, did not sustain much longer, then went below VWAP. Again, it didn't sustain uh, below VWAP and has moved up. From all this, what we gather is that there is lot of volatility. The resistance has been created at about above 17600, 17609, and the support has been created around 17527 in the futures, Nifty futures. So I would be doing a strangle or a straddle here. There is no point taking a one-sided view, or you can do scalping trades here. There is a lot of volatility in Nifty today. Bank Nifty similarly is negative now. Bank Nifty futures, Bank Nifty spot, and if you had bought a P at around 37,300 or 37,330, sorry, 350 or something like that, or 37,400, you would have been in a profit now. Uh, Seeing that the support is at 3700, I would have bought a, or rather sold a call at 37,000 to be in so, but I would have sold puts at this moment. So now at the moment, in the last few minutes, it has been moving sideways. USD INR, as we saw, has been has hit support here and has moved up to 73, 73, 8, 73.8344. I don't expect it to sustain much longer, but it will all depend on the movements on US US dollar index. Let's look into the stocks that we have been monitoring. There are about 8 stocks. So Adani Transport, as I said, it has a bullish bias, but it has been falling for few days. And looking at on a 15 minutes chart, we see that it has again hit a lower circuit and it stayed there. So it is at 15. 0.80 Bajaj Holdings. Again, we have been positive about it, and it has moved up by 13 points today, and moving sideways at the moment. BPCL, something that we have been bearish about, as in fact after falling has reversed, and it's at resistance. So intraday one can sell. Even yesterday we saw that after 12 o'clock, a lot of real movements happened in the market, where our calls came true. Indus Bank again has hit the resistance, but we have to see whether it's already 5.25 points up, which is about half a percentage points up. Indus Towers up by point. It's very much flat at 0.02. It's almost ended where the closing price was yesterday. ITC is almost up by 1 point. So and it seems pretty flattish at the moment. Uh, Indigo again, something that we have said that there is going to be overbought conditions, and therefore the fall is not that much of a surprise. SBI Life again, I had been bullish about it. It has moved up by 7 points, and as long as RSI is above 60, keep your bullish moves. We see that how much of a move it has shown. Uh, since reaching its bottom, it's moved up by almost 1.20%. So, friends, I would finish off my quick update here. I hope you are having nice trading day. This is Wednesday, so tomorrow we will have our expiry closer. So uh, beyond the last or rather the evening market analysis will give you some pointers about Chinese meltdown or the fallout of the ever grand issues that has affected China, and we will also discuss about various market analysis also. So I will hopefully come back with update number 3. If I am not there, we shall see you in the evening. This is Ayan Sinha here, signing off from Billionaire.